everybody, NCWQ here. Good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are in the world. I have you all looking at EMSE, and we can see that 4 hours ago there was a 6.0 earthquake in eastern Turkey. It was 10 kilometers deep, but before I go any further, I'm going to show you this earthquake was caught on the app 4 hours ago as a 6.0. However, I also have this earthquake as also being a 6.1 2 hours ago. So I believe that this may have been an aftershock. As you can see, this shows 2 hours ago as well. So this is coming in on my app as 2 hours ago. So this may have been an aftershock. So we're going to look at the back page for EMSC and see if we can find anything under seismic data from 2 hours ago for another earthquake having occurred. So let's look at seismic data here real quick before we start and see if there's anything else further that may have occurred. Because I'm seeing Alaska as a 5 here, so there's been a Alaskan earthquake as well. But I'm not seeing anything bigger so far. That's Japan. So we're going back and I'm looking because, of course, there's been many aftershocks so far in Turkey. So that's Turkey. Then we're going back to as far as Turkey here and looking for Turkey. And this is where it came in as a 6. So this is back 4 hours ago when the first one came in. So I'm not seeing that second one being listed by EMSC. So that is not being shown. Let me look again real quick. Maybe I can find it a different way. Hang on one second while I go to one of my videos and go to one of my own links and maybe find it on my website. So let me see if I have Turkey's seismological site real quick. So we'll pull up Turkey seismological site. Turkey, do map of earthquakes here if it works. Okay, so we've got Turkey pulled up here. This is showing all the earthquakes that they've had today. And I'm not seeing, those are all the small ones so far. So, yeah, they're showing the small ones. Looks like they can't go any further than that. So it goes all the way back to the last one, 2.2. Shoot, I can't go to another page here. Okay, so I can't go any further than that one. Wonder what this is. Can't get this in English. Would be nice. Oh, there's English. Okay, English, English, English. I tried English, English. Never mind, no English. Okay, well, I tried that and I'll try it again later. So I did Turkey. Let's see if I got another means to Iris list. Let's go to Iris. Look, 2 hours ago. Turkey. 6.0. It's right there. Can't tell how many hours ago that was, though. But there is a 6.0 listed right there. Okay, so Iris is short. Okay, so that was that. Um, so this was Turkey's earthquake here, which is showing. Let's see what they had for data here. So it's 5.5. They got 6.4, 6.1s, 6.5, 6.2, 6.7, 6.8, 6.7, 6.3, 6.1, 6.2, 6.9. They had 10.4. Holy jeez. 10.8. So they're showing that this was actually a big earthquake. 6.8, 10.9, 10.6. They got an 11.0 on here. Holy jeez. Okay. 6.3, 11.1, 10.5, 10.6, 10.8, 10.8, 6.5, 10.1, 4.4, 4.5, 4.3. They got fours, fives, 4.9s, fives, fours and threes, fours, 4.9, 6.5, 6.1, 6.8, 6.6, 6.7. There's a 7.0, 6.1. They got sixes, 6.6, 6.7, 6.5, 5.8. There's another 7.3 and four, so on. So we take the highest out, take the lowest out, and round six. So we're going to go back here and we're going to see where this is on Google Earth. And then we're going to check news for this earthquake. I mean, see where this earthquake was located. So sorry, you guys. Okay, so we can look right here. Eh, we can see that this is the East Anatolian Fault and transform boundary, which is one of the reasons why there are so many earthquakes here. And this is the Elizig River that runs through here. And as we look, this area is not entirely flat, so there are looks like little towns up in here. So they will have definitely felt this. This is unique here. I hope these people are okay. So this was basically hitting right here on this town here. There's a town, there's people here. And this is Akka here. Let's hope these people are okay. So what we have is a powerful earthquake that measured 6.0 on the Richter scale that struck eastern Turkey with its epicenter located near the city of Malatka. The European Mediterranean Seismological Center reported that the quake occurred at a shallow depth of 9 kilometers. The epicenter was pinpointed approximately 43 kilometers east of the Malatya city, a region that has experienced significant seismic activity in the past. There has not been a whole lot of news out yet. I'm looking for more news. to come out, U.S. Geological Survey has stated no fewer than four major tectonic plates, the Arabia, Eurasian, India, and Africa, and one smaller tectonic block are responsible for seismicity and tectonics in the Middle East and surrounding region. Geologic development of the region is consequence of number of first-order plate tectonics processes that include subduction, large-scale transform, and faulting, compressional, mountain building, and crustal extension. So, let me back out a little bit, and then you can see all of these are different lines here. When we come up this way, you can see this is East Anatolian. This is a continental convergent boundary that runs through here. Let me see if I can click on this one. That's the North Anatolian fault there. You have Turkey on this side. This area here is moving at 23 millimeters per year this way. So it's moving this way to the west. This one here is moving 20 millimeters a year that way. Then you have the Eurasian African plate here. That's transform boundary there. You have the continental transform fault there. You have the Eurasian African and other plate here. So you have a lot of different activity going on through here. So that is the tectonic summary right there. And this is the way that you see it: Black Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Caspian Sea. And this is the Indian Ocean, the Gulf of Oman. This is the Arabian plate here, the Eurasian plate, the Indian plate. And you have all of these different plates that are meeting up together, which are causing different earthquakes and lots of seismicity. Oops. Anyways, you guys, so you can see this. You have all these different, like this area here. You have this one area here, these areas here. Uh, this area here is moving at 27 millimeters per year, and it's going, well, that's north, so it's going kind of northwestish, northwest. And then you got this one that's going kind of this way, so they're going two different directions, so they're kind of button up against each other because this one here is going a different direction. If I can get it to pull up, this one's going 26 millimeters per year. Anyways, you guys, I hope y'all are doing well. That's just a real quick update. Please be good to yourselves and each other. Please remember to tell somebody that you love them, and have a great day. Much love.